Hello and welcome back to Jacinta's Kitchen. If you're new here, karibu sana. This is the place where we make simple, affordable and delicious meals you can easily try at home. If you're making a simple and delicious cabbage dish, you can easily enjoy with ugali, rice or chapati. This is the pan we are going to use, yeah? We're starting off by adding our oil. Just enough. Is ready. We're going to add in our chopped onions and then we're going to saute them until they give us, our usual color, golden color. Our onions are ready. Now it's time for us to add in our tomatoes. We're going to add in our salt. I added up a little bit of curry and Royco and curry spice. And now we are going to cover it and let it cook. And our tomatoes are ready, well cooked. Look at that. Now we're going to add in our carrots. Cover it for just a few minutes, let's say 2 minutes, and then it's time for our cabbage. We're going to add in our cabbage, the chopped cabbage. And now we're going to cover it. Now I think the volume has gone down, so we're going to and cover, and then you're going to mix the whole thing, so make sure the tomato and everything are mixed up, just like that. Look at that. And now they're all mixed up, you see? Yes. And so we're going to cover again so that we make sure our cabbage is well cooked. Just like that, our tasty cabbage is ready. Quick, healthy and perfect for any meal. Look at that. This is the cabbage you can never resist. Oh my god. Look at that. And I really wanted to serve this cabbage with something else, but the other side didn't the ugali side was calling me, and I was like, okay. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as we continue with our road to 1K subscribers. Your support means so much. Thank you so much for cooking with me. See you in the next one. Bye.